covering to make it glow. So it's off now. Start the script. Samples the background. So it's got a quiet background at the moment, so if I now talk, it's going to change a slightly different purpley colour, so I'm going a bit above the background, well, quite a lot there. You whistle. Go deep red. If I change the frequency band to 10k, so it's not going to now pick up me speaking while I hit the table. Low frequency, it's not going to pick it up as much. If I play a 10k sine wave, I should set it off. There you go. It goes red. And then I take it out of the 10k band. It'll go back to blue. There you go. And widen the band again. Play some music. If you get the volume just right, it'll be more dynamic. There you go.